An Income Tax Act 1961 defines an income tax assessee is a person who pays tax or any sum of money under the provision of Income Tax Act 1961. The term assessee covers everyone who has been assessed for his income, the income of another person for which he is assessable, or the profit or loss he has sustained. Types of assessee. There are 4 types of assessee, that is normal assessee, representative assessee, deemed assessee, assessee in default. An individual who is liable to pay tax for the income earned during the financial year is known as normal assessee. Every individual who has earned any income earned or losses incurred during the previous year are liable to pay taxes to the government in the current financial year. All individuals who pay interest, penalty, or who are supposed to get refund from the government are categorized as a normal assessee. Say, Miss Nancy is a salaried individual who has been paying taxes on time over the 3 years. Then Miss Nancy can be considered as a normal assessee as per Income Tax Act 1961. The next definition covers under assessee is representative assessee. There may be a case in which person is liable to pay taxes for the income or losses incurred by a third party. Such a person is known as representative assessee. Representative come into a picture when the person liable to pay taxes is a non-resident, minor. Such people will not be able to file the taxes by themselves. The people representative them either can be an agent or a guardian, can pay the tax on behalf of the individual. Next is deemed assessee. An individual might be assigned the responsibility of paying taxes by the legal authorities, and such individuals are called deemed assessee. It can be the eldest son, or a legal heir, or the deceased person who has expired without writing a will. The executor of a legal heir of the property of the deceased person who has passed on his property to the executor in a writing. The guardian of a lunatic, an idiot, or a minor. The agent of a non-resident Indian receiving income from India is covered under deemed assessee. Assessee in default is the last one. Assessee in default is a person who has failed to fulfill his statutory obligation as per Income Tax Act, such as not paid taxes to the government or not file his tax return. An employer is supposed to deduct taxes from the salary of his employees before disbursing the salary. He is then required to pay TDS to the government by the specified due date. If the employer fails to deposit the tax deducted, he will be considered an assessee in default. Thank you.